All right, welcome back, my dear students. So in the last lecture, we added the edit links and we added the delete button and all that, and we fixed this code here. Now it's time for us to start making the delete product page. So we already have a delete order.php page. Why not just do a save as on that one, right? So I'm just gonna click on that, and I'm just gonna do a save as, and change the name, delete product.php. Beautiful, right? I think this is gonna do it for us. We will have to modify this a little bit, right? We'll delete from products, right? Where product ID. Look at this. I think this is getting easier by the minute, guys and ladies, of course. And we just say product deleted right here. Product deleted. Huh? And then we'll send them to products. I think it doesn't get easier than this. Look at that. All right, clean and nice, right? Now we're not displaying message there on the products page, so we could do that. All right, once we delete all this, we can just display a little message here as a h3 and say, like, I don't know, display message right here like that, and just of course put a class here. And we could actually make a function that we already have all these classes and everything instead of us typing this all the time, right? If we wanted to. BG success. But this is so easy that I don't know if it's worth it. All right, so now let's go ahead and try this out real quick. All right, so we are here. All we got to do is refresh. We click on product one. Wow, isn't that great, right? We were able to delete the product and also display our message here saying product deleted. Isn't that beautiful? Now the only problem is that we don't have any more products, and it's a hassle to go to our PHP admin and create a new product, right? I mean, we got to type in a lot of stuff in there, right? We got to type in the title, the price, and all that, instead of us going to the add product page and just adding it right here. That would be nice, right, to do that. All right, so I think instead of working in the edit product, which is gonna take us a little bit of time, we should work in the edit product. I mean, instead of working in the edit here, and I'll change that in a minute. Actually, let's go change it right now. Let's go to edit.php, edit product, and let's say edit. Let's go ahead and work on adding the product first, right? That way we can work on the edit, because it's just a hassle going to PHP my admin. So in the next lecture, let's work on that, and then let's work on editing the product. All right, so let's go.